Nestled in Merida, a stone's throw from the iconic Paseo Montejo, Casa Encanto emerges as a restoration and renovation endeavor for a casona dating back to the early XX century. Its objective? To contribute significantly to the preservation of the residential facet of Merida's historic center by repurposing the existing structure and breathing new life into its venerable bones. The nomenclature, Casa Encanto, pays homage to the proprietor's homeland, Puerto Rico, often dubbed the Enchanted Island. This chosen epithet serves to summon the allure and enchantment resonating within both the meticulously revitalized mansion and the cultural tapestry of Puerto Rico. At its core, the project pivots on crafting an authentic milieu, with a steadfast commitment to conserving and accentuating the original architectural facets of the casona. This approach ensures the perpetuation of its historical essence and distinctive character, affording users a truly unparalleled and memorable encounter. Steering its gaze toward the historical structure of the casona, the project opts to retain its intrinsic essence and authenticity. A strategic decision unfolds, the demolition of any appendages accrued over time, allowing the historic core to be showcased in its unadulterated form. This deliberate choice seeks to pay homage to the original construct, avoiding competition by seamlessly incorporating a novel extension that coexists in harmony. The design of this new volume meticulously respects the casona's scale and architectural idiosyncrasies, fostering a symbiotic cohabitation that preserves its historical allure while offering a contemporary interpretation. Casa Encanto's beating heart is the central courtyard, an epicenter where diverse zones and activities converge. This space, conceived as a nexus, not only serves as a meeting point but also establishes a connection with nature, providing visual and sensory indulgence. Crafted from artisanal elements indigenous to the Yucatan region, the project's materiality includes pasta floors, existing masonry, tropical wood, traditional chucum, and rajula stone for cladding and finishes. Beyond highlighting regional identity, these materials promise durability and an authentic link to history and local culture. The historical restoration posed distinctive construction challenges, navigating the labyrinthine lot and preserving the casona's character. Meticulous, artisanal efforts were vital to maintain the integrity of historical architectural elements like walls, arches, and original carpentry. Traditional construction techniques were imperative for an authentic restoration, demanding artisanal dedication to preserve the casona's charm and historical essence. Preserving the ancient cistern emerged as a pivotal decision, creating a tangible link to the past within the contemporary context of Casa Encanto. It stands as a focal point, juxtaposed with a spiral staircase leading to the second level, creating visual tension and historical continuity. The design ethos revolves around obliterating the boundaries between interior and exterior, fostering a seamless relationship between the house and its surroundings. Native vegetation plays a pivotal role, strategically integrated into patios, terraces, and interiors to create a verdant, refreshing, and harmonious atmosphere. Casa Encanto's interior design embraces neutrality, allowing architectural elements to shine independently. Neutral tones form a canvas on walls and floors, amplifying materials and natural light. Strategic bursts of color in textiles, artworks, and decorative details reinterpret Yucatecan culture and tradition in a contemporary palette.